How to delete search history on Walmart app tutorial. To get started with deleting your search history on the Walmart app, first ensure you have the latest version of the app installed on your device. This will guarantee you have access to the most recent features and updates. Open the Walmart app on your device and log into your account if you have not already done so. Navigate to the top left corner of the screen and tap on the 3 horizontal lines to open the menu. From the menu, select the account option, which will take you to your account settings. Scroll down to the section labeled Privacy and Security, where you will find the option to manage your search history. Tap on the search history option and you will be presented with a list of your recent searches. At the top of the screen, you will see the option to clear search history. Tap on this option to delete your entire search history. If you only want to delete specific searches, you can do so by swiping left on the search you want to delete and tapping the delete option. It is also a good practice to review and clear your search history regularly to protect your personal data and maintain your account security. Additionally, consider using the app's privacy settings to limit the amount of data that is collected and stored. By following these simple steps, you can easily delete your search history on the Walmart app and maintain control over your personal data. Regularly clearing your search history is an essential part of maintaining your online privacy and security.